China is not just a global leader in technology, it's also leading in cyber military. Have you ever wondered how China conducts cyber warfare? Well, you're about to learn exactly how China uses their technology to attack foreign businesses and governments. In this video, I'm going to reveal how China transformed into a prime cyber threat for the US, the capability of China's offensive cyber power, why China has such a sophisticated cyber warfare program, and how Beijing is actively training and recruiting some of the best hackers in the world to prepare for an all-out cyber war. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video to learn how China conducts cyber warfare to attack foreign businesses and governments. And before I reveal everything, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's really gonna help me with the algorithm so I can grow this channel. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of this video to learn how you can get paid $2,500 per day as a qualified cybersecurity professional. Done that? Alright then, let's go. Booting the machine. Part of the reason that China has developed such sophisticated cyber warfare strategies is because it's the most attacked country in the world. In 2018, there were over 800 million distributed denial-of-service attacks per day. So you could see why cybersecurity is a big priority for China. As their economy has grown, so has their technology. Now they are at the cutting edge of cyber warfare. China regularly tops the list for hacking techniques and malicious programs, rivaled only by Russia. China has built up a complicated network of cyber warfare units that are able to target anyone, anywhere, at any time. Hiring the best. How do you recruit the best hackers in the business? Well, China have found a good solution. They hire illegal hacking groups to do their dirty work for them. These groups usually split their time between politically motivated attacks and financially motivated ones. It's impossible to say with certainty, but many cybersecurity specialists agree that these groups are sponsored by the Chinese government. The first one to know is Double Dragon, also known as APT-41. They are accused of being responsible for attacking UK businesses and healthcare services during the pandemic to steal data. Double Dragon uses advanced techniques to avoid suspicion. Instead of finding traditional backdoors, the group uses passive backdoors to install malware that covers their attacks while they steal data. But there is another well-known hacking group used by the Chinese. Last year, Microsoft Exchange servers were hacked and around 250,000 servers were compromised. Some of the victims included the European Banking Authority, the Norwegian Parliament, as well as many other governments. The attack was linked to the hacking group Hanium, which is thought to have connections with the Chinese government. Later that year, the United Kingdom's Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab confirmed this and accused the attackers of being Chinese state-backed groups. Are you considering a cybersecurity career change? Cybersecurity professionals are in such high demand that companies are offering great salaries to attract new talent, and even better salaries to those advancing their skills. Some cybersecurity professionals are now charging $2,500 per day. Yes, high demand means great paychecks. So what does the global shortage mean for you? It means opportunity. If you join the VIP membership at Station X Cybersecurity School, you'll get unlimited access to all the training material you need to become a highly paid cybersecurity professional. Check out the link in the description below to sign up for a big discount. Now, back to the video. Shutting down governments. One of the tensest relationships that China has is with Taiwan. China still considers Taiwan part of its country, while the island territory claims independence. So it's no surprise that Taiwan has been on the receiving end of many cyber attacks. In 2020, attacks on Taiwan's national oil company Formosa crashed its systems and caused gas stations around the country to be inaccessible. China has denied involvement, but the group Black Tech was found to be responsible, which has connections to the Chinese government. Just before Russia invaded Ukraine this year, there were cyber attacks on the country that originated in China. The Times reported that it came from a Chinese cyber warfare unit and targeted Ukraine's government sites. This is how China combines its political and military attacks with cyber warfare in its own interests. But the most powerful weapon that China uses is propaganda. Controlling the masses. In China, government censorship is much stronger than in Western countries. Millions of websites are blocked because they are considered harmful or dangerous. This is known as the Great Firewall and uses technology that automatically blocks content with keywords. Facebook, Google, Twitter, and Wikipedia are all blocked in China. But that's not all that China does. Have you ever dreamed of getting paid to post online? Well, maybe you should move to China then. One of the ways that China influences its population is through what is known as the 50-cent army, which is a large group of internet users who are employed to spread misinformation and influence public attitudes towards the government. It has been estimated that at least 500,000 make up this army. The group is largely made up of bureaucrats, tax agents, and other white-collar workers who are paid a little extra to post some good messages about the government. But some are specifically trained and they are able to push out over 450 million posts per year. Did you find this video valuable? Do you think China's hackers are a threat to the US and indeed the world? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity content like this.